In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to crop a circle in Photoshop using the most efficient professional methods available. Whether you are creating a profile picture, a social media icon, or just looking to add a stylish circular element to your design projects, knowing how to isolate a perfect circle is an essential skill for any graphic designer or content creator. This process is surprisingly straightforward once you know the right steps, and it ensures that your final image looks crisp, clean, and professional. If this video helps you out with your creative workflow, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest design tutorials and tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and launch Adobe Photoshop. Go to the File menu at the top left corner and select Open, then find the image on your computer that you want to work with. Once your image is loaded into the workspace, we need to select our Shape tool. To do this quickly, press the U key on your keyboard to activate the Shape tools, then right-click on the icon to ensure you select the Ellipse tool specifically. Now, to draw your circle, move your cursor over the part of the image you want to keep. It is very important that you hold down the Shift key as you click and drag your mouse. Holding Shift ensures that the dimensions remain perfectly symmetrical, giving you a perfect circle rather than an oval. Position this circle exactly where you want your crop to occur. Once you are happy with the placement of your shape, we need to turn this vector layer into a selection. Right-click directly onto the shape you just drew on the canvas and select the option that says Make Selection. A small dialog box will pop up. Simply click OK to confirm. You will now see the classic marching ants around your circular area. With the selection active, ensure your main background layer is selected in the Layers panel. Now, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on a Mac. This command is a shortcut that copies the selected area and pastes it onto a brand new layer automatically. To see your results, look at your Layers panel on the bottom right and click the eye icon next to your original bottom layer to hide it or simply delete it. You should now see only your circle image remaining against a transparent checkered background. The final crucial step is saving your work correctly. Go to File, then Export, and choose Export As or Quick Export as PNG. It is vital to use the PNG format because it is the only common file type that will preserve the transparent corners around your circle. If you save it as a JPEG, Photoshop will fill in those corners with white, ruining the circular effect. Once exported, your image is ready for use anywhere. And that is it. You have successfully cropped a circle in Adobe Photoshop and prepared it for high-quality export. If this video helped you learn something new today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.